Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving right into exactly how to alter your travel plans with Hyatt totally stress-free. Ever booked a hotel and suddenly had a change of plans? Yeah, we've all been there. Stick with me and I'll show you step by step exactly how to smoothly cancel a Hyatt reservation online without the hassle, without the hidden fees, and with zero stress. This is huge, especially if you're completely new to online reservations and worried about losing points or paying unexpected penalties. We're going to eliminate that anxiety completely right now by breaking down the exact workflow you need to follow. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with a quick intro to Hyatt reservations, run through a pre-cancellation checklist, walk step-by-step through the cancellation guide, understand those tricky cancellation policies, troubleshoot some common issues, and wrap up with post-cancellation tips. Let's get right into it. Section 1, Intro to Hyatt Reservations, Navigating the Unexpected. Look, sometimes plans just change, right? Whether it's a sudden family emergency, a last-minute business shift, or maybe you literally just found a cooler spot across town. Adjusting an itinerary happens to absolutely every traveler. Knowing exactly how the Hyatt system works beforehand is your absolute best defense against scrambling or accidentally triggering some expensive penalty just because you panicked and clicked the wrong button. Moving to Section 2, Pre-Cancellation Checklist. What you need first. To make sure this is a completely smooth experience, you'll want to gather your info before you even begin. You're going to need 4 specific things ready to go. First, your World of Hyatt account login. Second, your specific reservation confirmation number. Third, your first and last name, exactly as you booked it. And finally, your check-in date. Having these ready ensures your workflow is going to be seamless and entirely digital. No hunting through your inbox halfway through. All right, Section 3, Step-by-Step Cancellation Guide, Executing the Digital Interface. If you're a World of Hyatt member, this is actually a remarkably straightforward 4-step process, right from your dashboard to release that room back into inventory. Step 1, just log into World of Hyatt. Step 2, head over to the My Account dashboard. Step 3, click on My Reservations, which will pull up all your upcoming itineraries. And Step 4, find your specific reservation, click Cancel, review the prompt, and hit Confirm. Boom! The system automatically updates in real time. But hey, what if you booked as a guest without a profile? Don't worry at all. You do not need to call in. You just use the Look Up Reservation portal right there on the homepage. Just pop in your first and last name along with that confirmation number we talked about, and you'll get temporary secure access to your booking record. From there, you can safely modify or cancel the reservation online just as easily as any registered member. Next up is Section 4, Understanding Cancellation Policies, Avoiding the Hidden Fees. This one is super important. So, there are some pretty strict differences in policy depending on how you booked. If you paid a standard cash rate, you generally have 24 to 48 hours prior to your local check-in time to cancel and get that pre-authorized cash hold released back to your card. But check out the advanced purchase rate. That one is almost always non-cancelable and non-refundable, meaning a 100% forfeiture of your prepayment. Ouch. And for reward stays, meaning you used points, you typically need to cancel 48 hours prior to get those points cleanly redeposited into your account. And that actually brings us to this crucial points trap that people warn about heavily on Reddit. Listen to this. If you miss that 48-hour window on an award stay, Hyatt doesn't just keep your points. No, canceling a points booking late means you actually get your points back, but you get hit with a massive cash penalty instead. They will literally charge the credit card you put on file for the rack rate, which is the absolute highest non-discounted cash price for that room for one night plus taxes. Talk about a nightmare scenario you definitely want to avoid. Let's move to Section 5, Examples and Common Issues, Troubleshooting Your Cancellation. One of the biggest pitfalls here is using an online travel agency, or OTA, like Expedia or Booking.com. See, Booking Direct gives you complete self-service control. But if you book through an OTA, Hyatt actually blocks self-service cancellations on their website. Since the third party technically owns the financial ledger for that booking, you have to log in and cancel through their platform instead, which just adds a really frustrating layer of complexity to the whole thing. Also, if the website gives you a login error while you're trying to cancel, double-check your account number format. Hyatt's database is super strict. Your number has to begin with a G, a C, or a 5, followed by exactly 8 numbers, and ending with the letter. Another heads up, those third-party OTA cancellations we just mentioned, they might actually slap you with a $40 processing fee if payment details need manual adjusting. Oh, and a quick warning, if you get so frustrated that you ask customer service to completely close your account, doing that instantly deletes all your points forever with 0 recovery options, so definitely don't do that. All right, Section 6, Post-Cancellation Tips. Confirming your refund. You clicked cancel, but we're not quite done. Always look out for that automated confirmation email. It should hit your inbox within about 30 minutes of you hitting confirm. Next, keep a close eye on your account, because points usually take about 3 business days to safely return to your balance. If you used a free night certificate, that'll just bounce back to your My Awards tab with its original expiration date. And lastly, don't forget to check your credit card statements over the next few days to make sure any pre-arrival room holds were actually released. Before we wrap up, I just need to share this quick disclaimer. The information provided in this explainer is for educational purposes. We urge viewers to check Hyatt's official website or contact their support for the most current and applicable processes, as policies and interfaces may change over time. So now that you know exactly how to safely cancel without those dreaded fees, the only question left is, where will your points take you on your next seamless travel adventure? With cancellation anxiety totally out of the picture, you can confidently book your next journey knowing you are in complete control. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and happy travels!